Alright guys, in this video I'm going to attempt to repair a Traxxas 2075X servo. Now I'm not going to give this video too much effort because I don't even know if it's going to work or not. So, wish me luck. So, this is a 2075X servo. And they're pretty much the same as a 2075, just that these are metal geared. And the thing that's gone with this servo is this gear here is stripped. So I'm going to try and repair this, and also I think the circuit board has burnt out. I'm not sure yet. Until I plug it in, I'm not going to know. But I'm going to show you a fix for that if it has. Obviously, we can buy a new gear set. But I want to go out bashing tomorrow and I haven't got a gear set on me. So, I've done this before on a different servo. If you can see on this main gear here, it's got a pin there that kind of limits the servo travel. But if we pull this pin out, and it is in there really stiffly, but they do come out. Yeah, get it out of there. It will come out eventually, guys. Get a bit of leverage on there. Hey, there we go. So now what we can do is install this gear the other way around. Now guys, just a word of warning, any of this stuff what I'm doing here, that may knacker your servo completely. Also, it might knacker something else. I don't know. I'm not really an expert, guys. You know, so if this burns out your ESC or burns out your receiver, don't come crying to me. So, you know, do this at your own risk. So now, obviously we want to make sure that there's no old gears and stuff hanging around in there. If there's any old teeth and stuff in there, we want to make sure we get all those out. So that looks pretty clean. You've got to bear with me here, guys, because it's been a while ago when I took this apart. Not really too sure how it goes back together, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Alright, and then this gear here, we can put it on this way around. You definitely want to make sure that there's no busted up gears left in there, because they're going to get caught up in the gears and it's going to cause more damage. But as you can see now, is this part of the gear here where it's stripped, if the camera wants to focus, it's now away from there, so it's never going to get that far. So we kind of get another life. I'm sure I'll figure it out where they go eventually. That one on there, maybe? Maybe not. Hold on. See, I've taken this apart actually ages ago and I can't really fully remember how it goes back. Right, so that in there, that on there, that, okay, like that? Maybe. And then that, does that go in there? Yeah, alright, there we go. I think I've sussed it. Now, there should be another pin that goes in there, I'm assuming, somewhere. I don't know where it's gone, so I'm just going to nick it out of this other servo here. Alright, now this one here, the cap's gone. As you can see there, look, the lugs are broken off. So I'm going to stick on a different cap from this servo here. And I'm led to believe it is exactly the same. It's just the colour that's different, and just the fact that these ones here have got metal gear. So bearing on top of there. Sorry if this is a crap tutorial guide. It's not really a tutorial. It's just seeing if this actually works. Alright. So now I'm going to plug this in. See if it still works. If it doesn't work, we're going to get the soldering iron out, and then I'll put you back on. Now here's the plastic gear, guys, out of the non-X servo, and as you can see, it's got a tooth missing around the back here. But there's no reason why you couldn't cut off this little lug here, do the exact same thing, just switch it over and put it back in the other way around. Alright, so I've just plugged it into the e-Revo, and it doesn't work. This is already one servo that I've replaced, and I fixed that one yesterday. So this one here, I think I'm going to have to get the soldering iron out. So, alright, let's get that done. Alright, so if these things stop working electronically, usually 9 times out of 10, it's this little component here. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a fuse, maybe it's a resistor, I don't know. But if you put a bit of solder across that pin and that bit there, let's try and zoom that in. So if you solder these two parts of that fuse together, that and that, solder those two together, 9 times out of 10 it's going to work again. But guys, again, it doesn't always work, and obviously that thing's there for a reason. So I don't know, you might blow your receiver, you might blow your ESC, there might be a fire, God knows what might happen. So if you're doing this, guys, you're going to avoid your warranty, and also don't come running to me, do it at your own risk. But I've done a few of these now, they've always worked. And I have had another servo that's died after I've done the fix. I've never damaged any ESCs or anything else, so do it at your own risk, guys. You know, if my stuff blows up, I don't really care. Alright, so God knows if it's going to work or not. Worth a go. Come on, stick. Stick. Oh no! Look! Smoke's coming out! Oh no! It's not working! Ah! Alright guys, so as you can see, it didn't work. But the gear mod did work. I tried that yesterday and that worked perfectly. And also, doing that solder job, it does sometimes work. It is actually the first time that it hasn't worked for me. I've repaired a couple of my own servos now. I've repaired a couple of my mate's servos, and it's kind of worked every time now. This one smoked up, as you probably just saw in the video. So guys, give me a note in the comment, please. What servo do you recommend I put in this? Do you recommend a couple of servos, or should I put in one better one? I mean, I haven't got a clue. You know, if any of you guys got any good recommendations what to put in there, guys, give me a note down in the comments. And I know a lot of you guys are going to say Savox. And I must admit, I'm not really a massive Savox fan. I mean, they're good servos, but they're very power hungry. And if the Beck hasn't got enough beast behind it, like some of these Traxxas ones normally don't, then they're not normally Savox friendly. So, you know, if it is Savox friendly, I'll happily put Savox in. But I don't know. Give me a note in the comments, guys. Let me know what servo you think I should put into this eRevo 2.0. So I hope you liked this crappy little video, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon. Bye. You know, Trissy. Say hello to YouTube. Wait. Hello. Hello. Hello.